Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Hercules versus Ryobi brushless. This is Harbor Freight. This is Home Depot. Pretty much, according to Harbor Freight, this is a professional level tool or a pro. Brushless. This is model P252. And this is model HC91K1. So that is the model number for that. And then we got a 2.5 amp hour battery, and then we have a 2.0 amp hour battery freshly out of the charger. We got brand new 316s, Milwaukee 316s. I don't know if you guys could see it. Speed 1. Speed 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. Ryobi. Just like there's a knot here. Alright, let's do another area here. Let's go over here. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so that's Hercules. Let's try it one more time. Hercules, speed 1. I think that was Hercules. Alright, let's go to speed 2. Clean this out. Alright, speed 2. One, two, three, go. Hercules got that one. Let's try it one more time. Speed 2. One, two, three, go. Alright, seems like this one, Ryobi, I guess they're pretty similar in power. Let's try putting in some screws. See how well they do. Alright, we got some 2.5" number 2s. So 4 screws total. Speed 1. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1. Alright, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Pretty much the same. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. Oh, hold on. Yeah, we're gonna be starting with some 3/8. So I got 2 different 3/8. I don't know if you guys could see that on camera, but I got 2 different 3/8 bits. We're gonna go ahead and start with these. These are impact rated, but these are not impact drivers. It's just regular drill drivers. Alright, we're going to be in drill mode. We're going to be in drill mode there. Speed 1. We're going to be in speed 1 on this one. On drill mode. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, let's try that again because, see, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, let's try this same one on speed 2. Speed 2. Speed 2. Alright, now we got 1.25 inches. These are the same bits. These are Daredevil speed bits. They're self-feeding. So we got these. We're going to be putting these to work. Got that one. Then we got this one. Alright, we're going to be checking the temperature. (71) metal part. 78 metal part. 78. Actually metal part 62, 61. Chuck 72, 73. 71. And then this part 73. 73. Internal engine. The components in there. 81. Then internals on this one. 85. Oops, sorry. About 85 degrees. Batteries 64. 70. 70 is the hottest. This one is 69. 66. 70. So pretty much the same. I gotta give it to you guys. You know, pretty much you're good with brushless Ryobi or Hercules. These are both great drills. This is mostly this is non-brushless. Just to you guys let you know, it's a non-brushless tool from Harbor Freight, and this is a brushless tool from Harbor Freight. As it says right there. It does say brushless. Very comparable. And the battery gauge, we got 2 bars. 2 bars on this one. We can't measure this one because it's a small battery. I can tell you that these are pretty good. both of these, I would recommend both of these for DIY. I know this one's on sale. They got some good deals at Home Depot. And this one you can buy bare tool only, or you can buy it with the kit, with the battery and the charger. Well, they used to buy it with the kit with the charger, but it comes out just about $100 or a little bit more. So they're about the same price. You're getting brushless on this one, but you're getting on this one, you're getting like more, a little bit more power, I would say. But you can't go wrong with either or. So I would definitely recommend these two for you guys. I will be doing some more tests. If you guys hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you guys like these tests. All right, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Looks like I'm gonna have to do this separately because this is challenge here.